Welcome to Teach Yourself Something. A Scorpio. It can be challenging to date a Scorpio, as they are known for being mysterious, passionate, and intense. However, if you're up for a deep and intense relationship, dating a Scorpio can be a rewarding experience. Here are a few things to keep in mind when dating a Scorpio. Be open and honest. Scorpios value honesty and transparency, so it's important to be genuine and straightforward with them. Respect their need for privacy. Scorpios can be private people, and they may need time alone to recharge. It's important to respect their boundaries and give them space when they need it. Don't play games. Scorpios don't appreciate dishonesty or manipulative behavior. Be upfront and genuine with your feelings and intentions. Show your loyalty. Scorpios value loyalty and commitment, so it's important to show that you are dedicated to the relationship. Be open to deep and intense conversations. Scorpios are known for their depth and intensity, so be prepared to have meaningful and thought-provoking conversations with them. Expect a lot of passion. Scorpios are known for their strong emotions and intense passion, so be prepared for a lot of intensity in the relationship. Don't try to control them. Scorpios value their independence and autonomy, and they do not appreciate attempts to control or dominate them. Be prepared for intense arguments. Scorpios are not afraid to speak their minds and can be quite confrontational, so be prepared for intense arguments and discussions. Don't try to hide things from them. Scorpios have a keen intuition and can sense when something is off, so it's important to be open and honest with them to avoid causing resentment or mistrust. Don't take their moodiness personally. Scorpios can be moody and unpredictable at times, so try not to take it personally. Instead, give them space and time to process their emotions. Overall, dating a Scorpio can be a unique and rewarding experience if you are willing to be open, honest, and committed to the relationship. Thanks for watching. We hope you have taught yourself something. Please like and subscribe for more ways to teach yourself something.